So now artists know how to create colorful sticky stamping nail art with loose chrome pigment and using SheModern sticky stamping image polish as a base. I'm going to use the color opaque white air dry stamping polish sticky as stamping polish to stamp this pattern flower image. And then use a clean side of the scraper, scrape down a clean jelly stamper, pick it up. This is a stamping technique with stamping polish and stamping image from a stamping plate. Gonna clean up the unwanted area. This is air dry, no need to cure under gel light. If this is a regular polish base, let dry completely to a non-stick touch or have a matte non-stick layer. If this is gel, also have a non-stick surface. Quick and easy to apply a non-stick chrome resist matte layer and cure under gel light. And at the end, can apply gel top coat. But if this is a regular polish, at the end can apply regular air dry top coat. Now take your time and then stamp the image. Like this. And then clean up this with a sticky lint roller. Now artists can stop here and have this simple black and white nail art, or we're gonna take advantage of the exposed sticky of this special sticky stamping polish formula from SheModern. We're gonna play with dry coloring with either loose glitter or pigment. In this demo, I'm gonna dry coloring with the chrome pigment. This chrome pigment, if it's rubbed over a smooth surface, chrome base or chrome stamping image, which just need to cure under gel light, then we can rub it to a shiny chrome effect like foil light. But if it's over a sticky stamping image, the result gonna be more of the metallic look like this. With this dry coloring, artists can apply one solid color or creatively mix different color. I'm gonna show you how to mix two colors to create interesting two color look. So quick and easy, open and close, dispense the bottle, or we can dispense directly on here if we want that loose abstract coloring look. So this is the neon pink, the color from SheModern's chrome pigment collection. And this is neon yellow. This is a two color tone. Quick and easy, direct dispensing. I'm going to use a clean eyeshadow makeup sponge. This technique now I recommend is to light press and dab, not the pressure rubbing like the chrome semi-gel, because this air dry stamping polish is not as strong and durable and it have a stronger sticky. So this technique will result, although we're using the chrome pigment, but the result is going to be more of a metallic color look of the pigment. Now we tinted the white background with the colors. Lightly dab to adhere the loose pigment over the sticky image, and purposely I apply the pink over the flower to represent pink flower. Have it horizontal and dab it to adhere the chrome pigment, and the green side lightly dab with another color. This way, no loose color that fly to another section. This light dabbing technique at first is to focus on having the color stay put and stick to the sticky stamping image base. Now, when all is covered, we can alternate and lightly dab between the two colors to create that nice blending effect. But this dabbing technique is recommended for dry coloring over sticky stamping image. And the result using chrome pigment will be more of a metallic look. Now, with this, brush away any loose dust. This is a quick and easy way to tint the sticky base stamping image with different colors with dry coloring with pigment. There are different kind of pigment out there, but we are playing with the metallic chrome pigment. And this is what I'm talking about. As long as the background is chrome resist, non-stick, then the loose chrome pigment only stick to the sticky stamping image, not the background. It can be easily brushed off. It gives a clean look. And now just waiting to be topped up with top coat. If this is nail design the artist created over regular polish, can apply regular air dry top coat with a light hand floating to prevent smear or smudging of the image. If apply regular air dry top coat, if this is gel, apply gel top coat, matte or gloss, then we can easily apply over top and cure under gel light.